Picture this, folks. You're in the wild jungles of the sales world. There's a sales professional, let's call him Bob. Now, Bob is a charming fella, but when it comes to selling, he couldn't sell water in a desert. He's been thrown into the deep end. No training, no safety net, just a list of numbers and a quota to meet. Bob is flapping around, trying to sell ice cubes to Eskimos and sand to Bedouins. Oh, and then there's Alice. Alice also started like Bob, a rookie in the sales jungle. But Alice, she knew the importance of training, so she sought out the best. She sought out Butler Street. Now, here's the kicker. According to a study by the American Society for Training and Development, companies that offer comprehensive training programs have 218% higher income per employee than companies without formalized training. But it doesn't stop there. These companies also enjoy a 24% higher profit margin. Alice, with her Butler Street training, is now a sales lioness. She's not just surviving, she's thriving in the sales jungle. She's selling heaters in the Sahara and snow cones in Siberia. So, what's the difference between Bob and Alice? It's pretty simple. Training. In the rapidly evolving landscape of sales, you can't afford to be a Bob. You need to be an Alice. You need Butler Street. Don't be left out in the cold, folks. Choose Butler Street for your professional development. Because with Butler Street, you're not just learning to sell, you're learning to excel. Remember, in the jungle of sales, only the trained survive. So equip yourself with the best, be the best. Be an Alice, not a Bob. Choose Butler Street.